So yeah, here we got the bike and the beautiful FMF. Yeah, I think it's time that we dismantle the KTM. Yeah, so if you haven't followed along, basically yeah, just in case, I bought this one. Whoa. Here we have a subframe. Woohoo! Just in case the other subframe is fucked. And I can also mention, I picked up this FMF. We're gonna see if this one fits there. So yeah. Someone wrote a funny comment on Instagram that this is no longer a Supermoto build. This is a Supermoto rebuild. I thought that was pretty funny. Let's begin. Okay. Oh, that's the spirit. Oh. Ooh, oh. Here we can see the FMF in its glory. Let's just take out the FMF right now. Oh yeah. Ha! This little bad boy. So, that looks pretty solid there. Not sure if the subframe is that fucked. Because, you know, the subframe is pretty short. I mean, yeah, we're gonna just get the bike all naked. Oh no! Whoa! Whoa, the rim got fucked. You can see here. Violence solves everything. Nice. Vad fan ska den fast någonstans då? Well, det går inte så jävla mycket hjälp. Woohoo! Oh yes! Fuck off! Woo! It's supposed to be like. This looks fucking bent, man. But we will continue the Supermoto rebuild. Back to the man cave. Oh my god, orange plastics. What? What? So yeah, this is the condition right now. Basically what I've done, I've changed the FMF silencer. So that's done. Completely new subframe and new black plastics here, stuff, and completely new handlebar and setup here. So all the new clamps here, you know, new grips, front thing. Oh jävlar vilken spindel! Helvete! Did you see that? Wait, what? Oh, that's pretty cool. You know, that spider was this big. What the fuck? So this just fits like a glove. And I also got a new bearing and front brake disc, hashtag not sponsored. I revealed the bearing disc together with my main guitar, but not the color, you know, but of course it's orange. Here I get all the cable routings to be okay, so we get everything 100%. And then we fit the new bearing disc so that we have all the bearing set up. And then I needed to change the tires from racing slicks to street tires since it's getting cold in Sweden. Then as a finishing touch for the decals reveal, I wanted to see if I could make the Alpina wheels acrylic paint look myself with ease. I bought a very specific orange colored vinyl which costed around $10 or 100 kroners, and I cut out very small strips around 1 centimeters for each area of the rim to then put on the rim, and the final product was amazing. Really easy if you then have the patience. So in the next video is the long-awaited decals reveal. So yeah, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching my Supermoto build/rebuild. Bye.